Hey everybody, it's Aria Wilcox of Wilcox GR Properties in Keller Williams, Grand Rapids North. I am at the Cove at Dean Lake, walking through home site number 2 with a fantastic 3,000 square foot new plan called the Balsam 2. I thought I would share it with all of you. Just at drywall stage right now. I just wanted to give you an idea of how beautiful this house is going to be. Walking into the great room here. Open kitchen, dining area as well. Got a 2-story great room with open loft above. And this particular home has all bedrooms upstairs. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. This magnificent sunroom looking out over Dean Lake. Just absolutely stunning views. And then I'm just walking through the eating area here. Got enormous pantry. Hard to tell right now. We'll walk you through it more in the future. This is mudroom area coming off the garage. I have loads of cubbies and cabinetry heading down this spot here. Built-in desk over here. You've got half bath in the corner, laundry room right here. And gonna head back through the kitchen into the great room area. You can just see how beautiful this is. It's over 3,000 square feet. Feel free, give me a call at 616-293-9261. Visit our Facebook page, The Cove at Dean Lake, or our website at www.wilcoxgrproperties.com, and we'd be happy to tour you through this home for the Cove at Dean Lake or our other 2 communities in Forest Hills coming up in 2022. Have a great day. Hello everybody, it's Aria Wilcox again from Wilcox GR Properties in Keller Williams, Grand Rapids North, out at the Cove at Dean Lake with Graystone Homes, and I am currently standing in the Balsam 2 again in the master suite here. Just wanted to give you an idea. For the second level, just stunning waterfront views. Has cathedral ceiling in the center there. Beautiful bathroom quartz countertops. I believe they're choosing tile floors. Custom vanity. I have a huge corner shower. Sunken, well actually it's going to have an individual tub, clawfoot probably, and then commode there. And then we're looking at the master closet, waiting on a couple windows for the front elevation. I should say a vessel tub in here. That's the master suite again. That's bedroom number 1. Got a huge linen closet and storage closet here. This goes down the hallway. We have bathroom number 2 right here, sorry. Private tub, commode, and then this is going to be vanity area with 2 vanities. And across the hall is bedroom number 2. Very spacious bedroom. Just give you an idea of size. Absolutely enormous room. And then we'll come up to bedroom number 3, which is adjacent. Another extremely large bedroom here. So that was bedroom number 3. Here's bedroom number 4. Spacious bedroom. Beautiful bright lights. And then it has its own private bath. So this home includes 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and then huge 2-story great room. Call me with any questions that you have at 616-293-9261. Again, this is Graystone Homes, Wilcox GR Properties, and Keller Williams, Grand Rapids North, at the Cove at Dean Lake. Thank you.